Welcome, Cummins 12 valve guys and girls. This is my 2500 1997 4x4 standard with the 5912 valve. Anyways, I had a massive oil leak, or an oil leak starting to get going once we started working it here, and bought the kit from BD Diesel, and it was a Killer Dowel Pin kit, and thinking that it was just the crankshaft seal that had gone, because that's where most of the oil had come from. But I opened it to find out that the dowel pin's no longer in there. Basically come down this timing, or the gear here. If you look, there's a little bit of damage right here from where I must have ground to a halt, and punched a hole right through my timing chain, or my timing cover. Now, I'm a I'm a diesel guy. I worked on a lot of diesels, but I was pretty amazed. Anyways, the old owner had filled it up with our RTV sealant, and it held until I started working it, and then boom. So looks like I'm looking at a new timing chain cover. The thing that scares me is that I don't know by the hole if it completely exited the I'm hoping the dowel pin's not in the oil pan, but at least there's a screen on the oil pump, so